back to my channel. My name is Cuban Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider hitting that like button and hitting subscribe and joining the Cuban Beauty familia. Videos go up every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Today, I will be unboxing my Mint Mongoose, but because this is my third try at the video, the jewelry has already been removed from the bag. However, I will tell you that Mint Mongoose is a $12 a month subscription where you will get 3 pieces of jewelry every month, either silver, gold, or rose gold. You can either get clip-on jewelry, clip-on earrings, or pierced. Now, and every 3 months that you're consecutively with Mint Mongoose, they will send you a gift. My gift this month was a quill, a pen that looks like a quill. It's just a gold pen that looks like a quill. It's really awesome. I opened the box, as I said, and I got my Mint Mongoose card. And in there, she always packs a Werther's Original, which is just amazing because I love them. So this month I'm going to show you what I got. Again, as I mentioned, I have taken all this out because this is my third take on the video. For starters, I got a leather bracelet. You just put it on, like if you remember the friendship bracelets from back in the day where you just pull the strings. Well, I say you pull the strings. I know you pull the strings. I'm just not being able to do it right now, and I don't know why. Anyway, there you go. You just pull the string and you have yourself a bracelet. This is leather. I can smell it. Yeah, it's leather. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, the next thing I got were these earrings. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's the necklace. I'll show you that in a moment. They're the earrings. The earrings are absolutely precious. They have a little bit of like a turquoise teardrop on them. And then at the top, it looks like a little mother of pearl. And then, of course, you put them in your ears, your pierced ears, and then they just hang there. And they're so pretty. I like them. And I also got the little safety backs with them, which I really like because if I don't have a safety back on my earring, my earrings tend to fall off pretty easily. The next thing I got again was this necklace. Now, the necklace is adjustable, which I like because my necklaces have to be really long for me to like to wear them because I only wear this gold one. And for those of you that follow me religiously, you know my gold necklace never comes off my neck. So it is a long necklace, and again, it has the teardrop pearl at the bottom. And a little higher, it looks like what looks like a little butterfly, I don't know, or like a little dragonfly maybe. It's got like a little bluish green stone at the top. The little greenish brown wings are stones, and then the little mother of pearl in the center. And then again, like I said, it kind of hangs down from there, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. It would actually go with what I'm wearing today, but because I'm not really going anywhere, no sense in wearing it. So, but anyway, I just wanted to unbox my Mint Mongoose for y'all. So, again, if you like the video, please be sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, hit like and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you have any questions or you have any videos that you'd like to watch or see, or any tutorials that you want to see, or my makeup collection or whatever just floats your boat, leave me a message down in the comments and let me know. And another thing, be nice, be sweet, and be kind, and no bullying, okay? Remember that. We're all adults here. Let's all act like it. Till we meet again, I love y'all. Besos.